Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Love, Light, and Life Affirmed, your daily affirmations for self love and growth. Welcome back, my current followers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your loyalty, the blessings that you guys are giving me is incredible. Your support of the channel, both here and on YouTube, is actually, it feels amazing. And I am so grateful. Thank you for allowing me to bring you these positive messages, affirmations, wisdom, advice, help in these crazy situations as we're dealing with life. From my heart to yours. This is going to be your spirit animals oracle message. I hope you guys have had an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, or whenever you are watching this message. And let's see what spirit animals are connecting with you guys right now. Oh, wow. Okay, two more, please. One more. All right. Ooh, okay. Well, let's see what we got here. Okay. Beautiful. So the first one out is freedom with the horse. It says, your heart is pure and free. A greater purpose calls you. You have unlimited reserves of stamina and strength. You follow the winds of change and accomplish your dreams. And then we have the personal choice card. I love this card. Close your eyes. What animal do you imagine? What strengths are they known for? What wisdom do they share? And embrace those qualities. And then we have nobility with the elk. Celebrate your accomplishments with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. And then we have good luck with the ladybug. You are a bright energy. Let worry go and be happy here and now. Feel good about being a loving and colorful you. You bless the world with color and good luck. You are a bright beam of light every single day in the lives of the people who you are around. You have the freedom right now because you have such an open heart. You have the stamina and the strength to change and to move forward towards your dreams. Anything right now that you want to accomplish can be accomplished, and you will be successful, because I can see that right now you believe in yourself. You have wisdom and courage. You move with grace and honor and with respect. So as you accomplish your goals, continue to celebrate yourself, but stay humble. Stay humble on this journey, because even though you are going to be challenged, you will conquer them. And good luck follows you because of your bright energy. Make sure to enjoy all the moments here and right now as you move forward. Keep going. Whoever this is resonating for, keep going and believe in yourself, because you are supported. All right. That's what I got. Hopefully this did resonate for you, and if so, please hit that like button, share, subscribe, and follow. Hopefully, this gave you some food for thought and a little bit of encouragement to know that you are on the right path. All right. Until next time, guys. Bye. And P.S. You got this.